In this video, we will showcase the initial setup of the Enviolo Automatiq CVT system, detail how to adjust settings, and demonstrate the general operation. There are two primary components to the system: the shift interface near the rear wheel and the Enviolo cell phone app available in Google Play and the Apple App Store. An optional handlebar-mounted controller can also control the shift interface. Before getting started, use your cell phone to download the Enviolo Automatiq app from either Google Play or the Apple App Store, depending on your type of device. Searching for Enviolo will make it easy to find this app, or you can reference the QR code located in the Quick Start Guide. Once installed, open the Enviolo app. If you are prompted to turn on your Bluetooth or background location, please say yes. If you are prompted with any software or firmware updates, please say yes. Bluetooth must be enabled for proper functionality. Locate the shift interface on the rear wheel. With the bike powered on, press the button located on the shift interface. You may need a small tool to press this button, depending on your model. When pressing the button, please note it needs to be depressed about 4 millimeters. You may hear or feel an audible click. Once it's pressed, the light will flash. This means the interface is in pairing mode. Wait a moment and you will see a device appear on the screen of your phone. Select the device to connect it to the app. Once the app is connected to the Enviolo system, you will likely see the logistics screen, which will prompt you to enter your personal information. By entering this information, your Automatiq system will be registered with EVELO and will aid in remote diagnostics should you need assistance. You will be prompted to enter this information each time you open the app until it is completed. You can exit this screen by tapping the X in the upper right portion of the screen. Now that you're at the main menu, select the configuration screen on the top left. We want to take a moment and double-check the settings in this menu. Let's go through EVELO's recommended settings. These can be adjusted later to suit your riding style if you prefer something different. The factory settings may vary by model, and changes may be made to the factory recommended settings over time based on customer feedback. For ride mode, select Sport. This will control how quickly the bike will shift. For unit system, select Imperial. For operation mode, select Automatic to allow the system to shift automatically. For manual gear, select 5. This will give you 5 discrete gears if you prefer to operate the system in manual mode. For desired cadence, select 72. This controls your pedaling rate and the number of revolutions per minute. For cadence increment, select 1 RPM. This allows for the most precise fine-tuning of your cadence input. For gear ratio at start of ride, select 0.8. This ratio controls your starting gear at takeoff. A lower number allows for a smoother start. Once you're done with these settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and locate where it says Calibrate Hub Interface. Calibration is required for proper operation and is recommended as part of the initial setup process. It's a good idea to calibrate the interface if you're experiencing any issues with shifting. Once your bicycle is in calibration mode, take the bike for a ride on flat terrain in pedal assistance level 0. It's important your pedal assist level is set to 0 during this process. Ride the bike for a minute or so. You will hear some shifting noises and then see a message on your phone saying the calibration is complete. You can now select the X at the top right of the configuration screen. Calibration can also be performed with the rear wheel raised off of the ground and turning the cranks manually in pedal assist 0. If you wish to use the app while riding, we recommend using a phone holder on your handlebar. Select the dashboard function on the main screen. On the top left, you will see either an A or an M. Pressing this will switch between automatic and manual operation. We strongly recommend automatic mode for most riders. The sophisticated logic in the automatic shifting system allows for quick and precise shifting. Even experienced riders will realize a benefit in letting the automatic system work for them. In automatic mode, pressing the up and down arrows on the screen will adjust your cadence setting while riding. You can also switch between Eco, Comfort, and Sport modes on the top right. In manual mode, pressing the up and down arrows on the screen will change your gears, just like on a regular bike. The Enviolo handlebar controller is an optional accessory and is not required to ride your bike and have it shift automatically. The handlebar controller has 4 components, 3 buttons, and 1 flashing LED light. There is no graphical display on the handlebar controller. To pair the handlebar controller, first make sure your Enviolo app is paired to the bicycle first. Then press and hold the pairing button on the hub interface until the light is flashing. Now, press and hold the center button of the handlebar controller. This will pair the unit to your hub interface. While you are riding, pressing the down button on the handlebar controller will increase your cadence, or the speed at which you are pedaling. This will result in faster, easier pedaling. Pressing the up button will decrease your cadence, which will result in slower, harder pedaling. If you have any questions, please reach out to EVELO customer support and we can provide assistance 7 days a week.